So good people, we're still doing set equations, and today the examiner was happy and gave us this beautiful equation. Whenever you see something like this, I said to you, don't panic, just smile and do what you know best. Now here we said about the set, it must always remain alone in its own side, which means the x will be equals to, the x will remain alone and say x plus the 12 when it comes this side is equals to 7 the root of what? Of x. You can copy it again and say x plus 12 will be equals to 7 root x, but now we're going to square both sides. And squaring both sides means what? You can say 7 root x multiplied by 7 root x, because we've got squared, that means it's two brackets. Even the same thing here, you have x plus 12 into x plus 12. Sorry, this will be 12. Now we say 7 times 7, the answer is going to be what? 49. Now be careful here. We've got the square root of x multiplying with the square root of x. The answer is going to be only x, because the principle states that if you have a root a multiplied by root a, the answer is going to be just a. So that's why here we only have the what? The x, not x squared. Don't make that mistake. Okay, now on this side, we expanded this one. It means x times x will give us what? X squared. What about x times 12? Positive 12x. What about x times 12? Positive 12x. Again, what about 12 times 12? It will give us positive 144. Now the 49 will not be lonely here. It's going to join the party, and it's going to be x squared plus these two. When you add them together, 12 plus 12 will give you what? 24x. But then we've got the minus 49x plus the 144 being equals to 0. Now our like terms are only these two. It means I'm going to have what? X squared plus, what is this answer? Oh, the answer will be negative, because we've got a small number minusing a bigger number. So 24 minus 49, the answer has to give us what? A negative 25x plus the 144 being equals to 0, which means now when I'm here, I can open two brackets to factorize this guy, and I know that I've got x and x, two numbers that can give me this one. You guessed it, it will be 9 and what? And 16. But now what about the signs? The bigger number will take the sign of the what? Of the middle term. The middle term is what? It is negative there. So if I've got a negative here and I see a positive here, it means all of them are going to be what? Negative. So that means now I've got x minus 9 being equal to 0, or the x minus 16 being equals to 0. Now x is equals to what? 9, or x is equals to what? 16. Whenever you get to this stage, you can smile and laugh now and say, haha, I'm going to take the 9, plug it wherever I see the value of x. If I get negative 12, then the answer is correct. So yes, you test the answer on your own and on the calculator there. Once you get negative 12 for both x's, that means you know that you have done it correct. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed learning with Mr. K. Repost the video, like or subscribe if you're watching from Facebook. And thank you. I hope you're enjoying the exam and preparing there. Sharp, sharp.